Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
We just like that story with the scissors. How can we force the scientists to accept Krishna and the Bhagavad-gita? How can we force the scientists to accept Bhagavad-gita? The problem seems to be that they don't accept
if it is a fact, you can force. If it is a fact, and if it is not fact, then it is obstinate. If it is reality, you can force. Just like the father forces his child go to school, because he knows without education his life will be frustrated. So he can force. I was forced. I was not going to school. Yes. My mother forced. My father was very lenient. My mother forced me. He kept one man especially to drag me to the school. The force is required.
But that is the authority. Your parents were your authority.
Yeah.
They don't accept us as authority. They say I'm equal to you. Actually,
that is another foolishness. Another foolishness. Father, mother, natural guardian, they can force.
To show that they're higher understanding, they are higher part of knowledge.
The child may be foolish, but father and mother cannot see that the child will remain a fool. He can force. Government also, why there is military force, why there is police force? If you want to be outlaws, then you will be forced to accept the law. Force is required.
But first the child has to see that there is some benefit in going to school.
Child cannot see, he is a rascal. He should be beaten with shoes, then he will see. The child cannot see. Uttanta sussancha tarayat natu larayat. Sons and disciples should be always chastised. That is Chanakapana. Never pat them. Larane bhavo dosas tarane bhavo. If you pat, then he will be spoiled. And if you chastise him, he will come out a very nice person. Therefore, either disciple or son, they should be always chastised. This is the injunction of Chanakapana. There is no question of patting them.
people want to be flattered. They don't want to be told they're strong.
And that is the position of disciples. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Guru Mare Murkha de. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was God himself, and he says that my Guru Maharaj saw me a fool rascal number one. Chastisement. That is required. Chanakapana is a great moral instructor. He has advised. Tarayat, Dadulalay. Always chastisement. Otherwise they will be quiet.
The intelligent boy knows that chastisement is some mercy.
Yes, yes.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna